No manual, who would need that, right? Hey guys, welcome back to Single Rush. Today we are tackling a small project. It's a gas studs for the bonnet. So once you open it, it stays open. And we will need to use RivNuts for it. We are fixing the one RivNut for the Webasto holder because there is no more thread in it, so we need to drill the old one out and put the new one in and then fix it properly. That will be a step in the direction of finishing the snorkel install. And yeah, thank you for tuning in. No manual, who would need that, right? This is actually the right one. They are huge. So the difference here is you can see they're both M6, but one is with the flange, another one is actually meant to be flush mounted, so you can put a very small countersink here. You just finish your hole with the drill like that, and then you can put it flush on the surface, but we don't want that. So I decided to make a test. I have this old piece of stainless steel and we will drill the hole here and test it in the vise. Pre-drill 10 millimeters. Would be nice. Yeah, I think it's working. I never know where to actually stop, but this looks good. This looks okay to me. If you know better, tell me in the comments. Yeah, that would hold pretty good. So after all this preparation and testing, I will try to perform this now on the car. And I probably will not talk about it when I'm there, because there are other people working, and then there is a lot of stuff happening. So enjoy the music and enjoy the process, I guess. was actually crazy smooth. It was really easy, surprisingly little problem. I will continue now with installation of this gas springs for the bonnet. And I know that we will probably need to put one more RivNut to do it. So yeah, let's have a look how it goes. The set I have, it's just some kind of a AliExpress thing. I don't know how it will work, and there is one tricky point where you need to fish this nuts in the bonnet structure, so that will be sketchy, a little bit as sketchy as it gets. We'll see. Let's go. yeah, so we have the bonnet lifting kit installed, which is pretty cool. I like it. I have it in the trunk of a car for like last month or two. That was the final time to actually install it. I have a little bit more time on my hands at the moment, so I can do some more videos. The last Friday was no video because, yeah, the Project X. Now I'm just working on the drawer system for the car. It's already on the CNC. So if you don't want to miss that, just subscribe and like. And yeah, that's what we have coming. We have plywood drawers for the car coming. We have transfer case cover coming, and we need to finish the snorkel. So this is like 3 things we have coming from the big ones, and there will be some Project X as well. If you want to learn more about that, join the Patreon. It's not like you need to pay for it. It's free members as well. Welcome. I appreciate every one of you exactly the same. So thank you very much, and we see us in the next one.